Hi everyone, I am Rob Rice, Director of Education and co-owner of Nailogic. Nailogic has been providing top quality nail enhancement products and education with these products for more than 20 years. We have more than a combined 50 years of application and education experience just in the management staff here at Nailogic. We think of Nailogic to be an education company first. Nailogic manufactures Nailogic's hard gels, Tendigo gel polishes, Acrylic IQ professional gels, Nailogic wraps products, and Nailogic Odorless Acrylics for skateboards testing. I would like to take a brief few moments to share some thoughts with you. This updated video is intended to enhance the learning curve for those new to nails or to Nailogic products. Our videos attempt to stress the little things. You know, the little things that sometimes make a great big difference in the end result. Our videos will take the viewers step by step through the application procedure, not only using video, but printed instructions right on the screen, and voice instructions as well, to skip, ignore, or not complete steps as identified in this video would likely not produce the results you need or want. Please take advantage of the option to watch this video, stop it, restart it, rewind it, rewatch it, and compare your practice to what the video demonstrates. We at Nailogic cannot overstress the importance for practice. Practice is repetitions. Repetitions promote understanding. Understanding leads to confidence. And only with confidence can you build speed. Anyone who owns Nailogic products can call our office for product applications assistance. After all, we consider Nailogic to be an education company first of all. Contact information can be found on our product containers, on our printed instructions, or at nailogic.com. That's Nailogic with one L.com. We hope you find this video to be instructive and helpful.
Nailogic's best advice. Watch this video from start to end. Then, watch it again, stopping and starting this video step by step as you complete each step as demonstrated in this video. You will need these items to apply an acrylic overlay. Let's begin a Nailogic Odorless Acrylic Overlay. Once again, stop and start this video to practice at your own pace. Using the nail dehydrator, apply as you would polish for nails that are oily or moist. Always cap the free edge. Apply the Nailogic adhesion booster as you would polish. Always cap the free edge. First thing you need to know about odorless acrylics, they dry much more slowly than professional acrylics. So it's very important to pay attention to these instructions to help understand how to get the best result more quickly. These are the items that you need to get started with your Nailogic Odorless Acrylic Overlay. We're going to create an acrylic ball. Dip into the monomer and dip into the powder. Be advised, the wetter the brush, the bigger the ball you must make. Only practice will teach you how to get the best result each and every time. Drop the ball on the tip of the nail. The ball should remain fairly stiff on the nail surface. Demonstrate. Watch this ball. Drop it on the nail and watch it begin to flow. If it flows on its own, it is too wet. And if it wipes off this easily, it's certainly too wet. Let's take a look at what happens when we create a ball too dry. Take note of how much time is spent in the acrylic powder. Watch the acrylic brush being dried. This ball is a little too dry, but if you add very little odorless monomer, you will find the product is still workable. As you have just seen, you can always add a little tiny bit of monomer, so it would be much better to create a ball a little too dry than too wet. Once the ball is too wet, you cannot then make it drier. So, always dry your brush before you begin to work your acrylic product. Let's watch this again. Creating a ball, drop it on the nail, dry your brush. Let me show you why you must dry your brush before working your product. Watch how much we dry this brush. Now look how much monomer is still in this brush. If you do not dry your brush, you will add more monomer from the brush to the ball, making it too wet. Back to the application. Watch as we use the belly of the brush to move product around. Too much brush pressure will flatten a nail. Flat nails are weak nails. We must begin to create an arch. Gentle brush strokes to blend and smooth. If your product begins to flow on its own, your acrylic balls are too wet. It's all about the angle of your brush and the pressure you apply. Create additional balls as necessary. Notice the angle of the brush is changed to make the product at the cuticle thinner for less filing. Once having moved product from side to side, pay attention to the angle of your brush and pressure to draw and smooth toward the free edge. Let's watch that again from a different view. Create a ball. Drop the ball on the nail. Always dry your brush before you begin to shape. Pay attention to brush pressure. You must create an arch. Too much pressure will flatten a nail. Use the belly of the brush to move product and the tip of the brush to blend and smooth. Keep product thin and off the skin along the side walls and cuticle. Looking pretty good. Let's watch that again. Make a ball. Drop it on the nail. Dry your brush. Here we use the tip of the brush and pressure to taper product down to make it thin to the cuticle. Then using long, gentle strokes to blend and smooth the acrylic surface. Belly of the brush to move product. Allow time to dry. After 3 minutes, it will still be sticky. However, tap it with your brush handle. If it sounds hard, you can begin your filing. Clean your brush with brush cleaner. Now choose the file that you prefer to use. When the acrylic has dried, file for shape. As a rule, the longer your file stroke, the faster the filing will occur. It's all about the angle of your file and the pressure you apply. Caution when filing near skin. It is okay to saw on product surfaces. Once having filed and gotten your basic shape, choose your buffer and buff entire surface aggressively. Caution when buffing near skin. Use your hand and nail sanitizer and the sanitizer brush. We're going to spray with sanitizer and sweep the surface clean of debris. Notice the nice gentle arch on this nail. Done. Once this nail is now clean and dry, would be the time that you're going to begin to apply a gel polish. Nailogic creates the Tend-to-Go custom gel polish colors where you create the colors and shades and only enough for one client at a time.